Hey guys, if you love juicy chicken with a tangy garlic punch, then trust me, this recipe is going to be your new favorite. Let's get started. Lemon garlic chicken. For this recipe, we are using 5 grams of chicken. I have already marinated it with vinegar and soy sauce and kept it in the fridge for about an hour. Next, we will be adding black pepper powder and some fresh lemon zest and give it a good mix once again. Now, take each piece of chicken one by one and coat it thoroughly in regular flour. Meanwhile, heat some oil in a pan and once it's hot, carefully add the chicken pieces and fry them until they turn beautifully golden brown and crispy. Just look at how irresistible this chicken looks. Then we will carefully remove the chicken pieces from the pan one by one. After that, heat some oil again in that same pan and add chopped onions and saute them until they turn golden brown. Next, add chopped garlic and green chilies one by one. It smells absolutely amazing, guys. Then squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Then add a little flour and start mixing it well, making sure there are no lumps. another 3 to 5 minutes until everything comes together perfectly. Here I feel I require a little water, hence I am adding a little water again to make a puree. Once it comes to a boil, then add salt, chili flakes and black pepper powder. I think it's perfectly done. I'm adding the chicken pieces now and I'll mix them very well. It's juicy, buttery, garlicky, and the lemon, it's perfectly. You have to try this. Serve it hot. Here I'm garnishing it with a little fresh cream. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty recipes like this. And comment below what should I cook next. See you in the next video guys. Bye bye.